several
There's Baldy.
hummingbirds at this feeder. This is late August. Are they preparing to head south for their migration?
Just make. Wow. Oh, cool. Did you video that one?
I don't know if I got him or not.
That was cool. I want to try.
Where he's at.
Gathering at that bush up there. Go back that head. That's not a ball. That is though. See it? Oh gosh. The one on the right has like a bald head, makes me think of Friar Tuck.